What? Who's that? Who's that? Get him! Get him!
No.
Where's he going?
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Hey, excuse me, son!
Bang!
The Slug Boys! Yay!
Well, fucking told me we were meant to be detectives or something.
Aye, because we
We're
gotta
a shop
we
owner.
gotta work
We run a
out
gas
who's no human and who's human.
No, we run a shop and we basically have to sell, we just run a normal shop and then ask the customers who they are and who they are not, and if the information's wrong, then shoot them. Hold on. Boys, this is going to be a basic joke, but you ready? Ah, they dropped it. Pick it up and somebody else do it. Pick it up and somebody else place it and you can fuck about with it. Ah, I found the blood, boys.
You found the blood?
I like body parts.
Right, what did you write? Right. Experiment is the way, man.
Experiment is the way, ma'am.
That's our fucking, like, shop motto, man.
Fucking new Slug Boys channel slogan.
Oh, no. It'll be a fucking t-shirt or something.
Guys, there's something in our vents. Look up.
Oh,
I don't know about that, guys. Well, come here. Buddy. Follow me. Go in that vent there and look up.
What? No. What is that?
Oh, guys, should we even be working here? Is this a good idea? Right, well, listen. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Question them about these details. The computer's database always holds verified info. Trust it.
Inconsistencies or blatant lies. Look at the
somebody's
gun.
in.
Oh.
Right, so that computer's behind Lewis.
Oh. What the fuck?
Wait, right. There's his card
He's
there.
talking to me. He's talking to me.
Take that.
Right.
Right, let's take his card and put it on that computer.
Is he wearing glasses?
Aye.
This guy's alright. He's just a normal police officer. Right, accept the transaction. That should be us. Right, you guys ready?
Aye.
Yeah.
You should...
Card unlocked.
he had the fucking pistol. Yes! What the fuck?
Fucking
Right,
bitch!
so when Lewis picks up the pistol, we can't pick up a pistol. Only one person can have that.
Aye.
Oh, we've got a delivery coming in.
Do we? Oh no. It's the sheriff, he's back.
That just opens as a guy with a shotgun glasses.
Imagine.
Oh!
What was that? Bear trap?
Right.
Bear trap.
You
Right,
fucking
well,
asshole!
Oh, answer the phone.
I don't think we got it right.
Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start and I really need getting it. Is it running again? Can you come out and help me?
No.
I'm taking the gun and I'm going out.
You take the gun. We'll set up the traps just in case you die. Oh, Lewis. Set up the traps,
What the fuck?
Oh
What the
shit,
fuck,
it's
man?
fucking right! It's jamming!
Where is it?
I don't know, I'm here.
Don't
You're
ever
right.
do that again.
Right, anyway.
Why is this guy talking to me? Ow!
Yeah. Guys, check his ID.
I'm on 70% of health.
Well, look at his ID.
What?
You know, is anything weird about it?
It's made up. it's makeshift.
Well, you know what that means?
Holy fucking crap!
Oh, hey there, Katie. She's fucking hitting on me. I don't know. Let's see what we're doing.
My body parts and blood.
So you're a plumber, hen? You don't look like a plumber. Yeah, I've been a flight attendant for 3 years. Right, get the gun, get the gun.
Fucking shoot him, man. Get him shot.
Guys, somebody's watching me from the trees. I just took the fucking trash out and there was somebody watching me from the fucking tree line. I don't like that.
Give me that thing.
Kevin, good evening. Just
Come
grabbing
to
a
me,
few
come with me, I'll show you.
Where is it?
It's in the box, it's in the box.
Right there.
It serves.
Oh, you fucking creep!
He fucking ran!
Don't come back! Try to shoot that cunt, he fucking ran away like Sonic.
Did he?
Aye.
I mean, that was it. I was probably the guy who was chasing you out there with that motor. You're an electric store.
Why do you look
assistant.
like that guy? Fucking.
I know. I know. I was thinking that.
Wait,
Yeah,
actually, yes, it
yeah.
does. What do you want, Sean?
Yeah, well, he does have a
Slight
slight
art, never healed for your high school days, eh, man?
forward head posture. Aye, he's got a forward head posture. But mate, on the computer says 3rd of the 12th. Aye, you've got your birthday wrong there, buddy. Fucking can't aim.
He's running for
I need
it.
reload. I'm reloading.
Your shift is done. This is fucked. Come on.
Fucking. I was missing all my bullets there, mate.
Oh.
I
don't know, mate.
So these are just normal people.
I'm just saying, mate, that guy, he said a different birth date to the computer, so I wasn't trusting that. Oh. Who did we kill?
That wee fucking, you want some, he was human.
I don't. Doppelganger.
He was a
Aye,
human.
that cunt was human.
He was
That
you.
cunt was just didn't know his birthday.
Oh, guys forgot his birthday, he just put 20 bullets in his back.
Well, I missed about fucking 18, mate, and put 2 in them. Whoa! Gambling!
Gambling. Oh, fuck.
Oh, good money.
What's the detective thing?
So, a hat.
Beard and
Beard
hair?
plus hair. A new hat. Googly eyes.
I put a new poster up, we would do a new poster every day.
Oh,
Some
that was
hat.
good better.
Paper bag.
Paper bag.
We're going back to roadside research, man.
Aye.
Aye, he's the fucking eyes.
He's a fucking doppelganger, shoot him, man.
I was in you.
But what's
Well,
this?
okay,
8%
hold
off all sperm-related products.
Fuck off.
The place that did.
We just got more tokens.
Brilliant.
What?
What?
What the fuck?
What?
What was that?
Mate, that guy came stumbling in like a raging junkie. Either way, he's getting shot.
What the? I'm picking up all the body parts in there.
Oh dear, would you like some candy?
I fucking thought that was him, shot myself.
Big fucking weird guy is back, by the way. Fucking Sprinty McGee's back.
So
Listen, mate, if you're homeless, we can maybe give you something. It's 80% off
Guys.
sperm-related products. We can give you one of them.
Can I jump over the fence?
That's
Should I go and say hi?
I'm actually going to need somebody's help with this one, because I actually cannot tell.
Right, what?
Just look at the computer,
Oh,
and then ask her about it.
Unemployed.
Oh,
You-
Those net bastards came into my house every day trying to take a photo of me, but I refused to let them compromise my privacy.
do we believe?
Search a resident's name. Agnes Wells. What? Can you search it? Can you search the name?
Aye.
Agnes Wells.
Thanks.
Well, she's not coming up.
I recall that
like,
copy of that junkie
the
that I
search
shot.
isn't working anymore. I mean, what does the rest of it say? Like, have you asked her any orcos?
Well, let's ask her about a day above. Yeah,
3 years old.
3-year-old.
counting.
wait.
What were you going to say?
Store generator's been tampered
Shit.
with. What?
Fix that right now.
Right.
Wait, somebody just came back and... Hey! Somebody get a gun!
Oh!
Fucking!
What the fuck?
Are we okay? Are we okay?
Right. 80% off all sperm-related products. You find it in aisle 2.
Oh, what? Just see this.
I didn't even see him. What? Who's that? Who's that? Kill him! Kill him!
What the fuck?
Who's what?
Fucking gnome! Fucking gnome!
Gnome? What the fuck? Wait,
What's it do?
what did we, is
Who
he
the
shot?
What did we do?
I
Is he
think
just
he's
a
alright.
He's just
I think he's just shot him.
who the fuck is he?
I think he's just shot him. I think he's a customer.
Shit, I'm just
He's just walking back and forth.
And he's just wee.
He's just walking back and forward. There's no really.
Oh, wait.
Where's he
Whoa,
going?
easy, wee man, easy.
Where's he going?
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Hey, excuse me, sir.
He was actually going to buy there. I think he was just on the wrong side.
Oh, I'm not. Bang! Wait, I don't know. He was coming at you. I don't know.
Let's get the store reviews, Lauren. I don't know how to get plans.
What?
Set up the traps. Set up the traps.
Set up the traps.
He was a wait. That guy was a double ganger. I let him go. Stop down the doors. Stop down the doors and place traps. What the fuck's that wall just opened up?
45 seconds.
Uh-oh.
It's like if it reaches 10, we're getting in the vent.
Oh, don't hide in the vents. The fucking meat comes for you.
Does it?
Wait, I
Aye, mate, you said that. Just as you said that, the fucking shit nearly got me. Well, get in the toilet above it.
Get
I'm
in
in
the
the
toilet.
toilet. We need to stay quiet. We need to stay quiet.
Sticks on you, motherfucker!
Blast them!
Sticks on you, motherfucker! Yeah! Get fucked, you cut down!
Get run!
Get the fuck out of here!
See, each field assault strengthens them. Alright. Mate 2 of 13. Let's see. It's probably that midget.
It's probably the fucking no, man.